Good morning, children. Take out your maths book. Open it at page number 133. We'll do sum number 4, a problem sum. The problem is Rohit walked from his house to the stationery shop to buy a pencil. On his way, he passed through a park. How far did he walk? Now you see, the distance between Rohit's house and park is 91 meter. And the distance between park and stationery shop is 54 meter. To find the total distance, we have to add these distance. That is one distance Rohit's house from park and the other distance between park and stationery shop. That is given 91 meter and 54 meter. So what we are going to do? We'll write 91 meter and 54 meter. And to get the answer easily, we'll write the number in a vertical way. Here we have written 91 plus 54. If you add these numbers, 1 plus 4 is 5, 9 plus 5 is 14. So the total distance he walked, that is 145 meter. So our addition sum will be 91 meter plus 54 meter is equal to 145 meter. So he walked a distance of 145 meter. Okay. Now turn over your page to 134. Sum number 5. A green strip is 11 meter long. A yellow strip is 13 meter long. So which strip is longer? Green strip's length is 11 meter and yellow strip's length is 13 meter. So which strip is longer? Obvious, it is yellow. Write yellow over here. Then what is the difference in the lengths of the two strips? Children, to find out the difference, what do? We subtract, okay, the given length. And remember, we always subtract smaller number from a bigger number. So write over here 13 meter minus 11 meter. If you subtract 1 from 3, we get 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So difference is 2 meter. So write the subtraction sentence here. 13 meter minus 11 meter is equal to 2 meter. So the yellow strip is 2 meters longer, okay, than the green strip, right? Now children, we are going to start another chapter, that is weight. Standard unit to measure weight is gram. And remember, we measure smaller or lightest object in grams. And we write G for gram. Here are different weights which are used in grams, that is 10 gram, 20 gram, 50 grams, 100 grams, 200 grams and 500 grams. Now see example number 1. You have to observe the weight of the tomato on a different scales. This is the first scale, this is the second scale and this is the third scale, right? This is the oldest one, okay? You can see tomato weighs 100 gram. Here also tomato weighs 100 grams. Here you can also on digital scale, the weight of tomato is 100 gram. So the tomato weighs 100 grams. Now standard unit to measure weight is kilogram. Children, 1000 grams are equal to 1 kg and we write kg for kilogram. And to measure greater things or heavier things, we use kg and grams, right? See at page number 135. There are different weights in kg. They are used to measure the weight of the heavier objects. 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg, 20 kg. Now example 2. Observe the weight of pumpkin on different scale. There are 2 scales. And see, the weight of the pumpkin is 1 kg and here also 1 kg. Okay. Now we'll do exercise number 3. You have to observe the balance and write the correct weight of the following objects in the boxes. Here you can see there are 2 books and their weight is 1 kg. So the weight of the 2 books is 1 kg. Here you can see floor bag and the weight of the floor bag is 5 kg. So the weight of the floor bag is 5 kg. Okay. Now second sum, circle the appropriate unit to be used to weigh the following objects. You know that standard unit to measure weight are grams and kilograms. We measure the weight of the lighter objects in grams and we weigh the weight of the heavier objects in kilogram. Keep this thing in your mind. And see, here objects are given. TV, it's a heavier object. So we will measure television's weight in kg. So circle kg. Carrot. Carrot is a lighter object. So its weight will be measured in grams. So circle G. Here it is an elephant. Elephant is a huge animal and its weight will be measured in kg. Circle kg. Then see lemon. Lemon is a lighter thing. Its weight will be measured in grams. So circle G. Children, turn over your page to 136. See sum number 3. Tick the heavier pen and circle the lighter pen. Remember, a pen which is going up is lighter, so circle it. This pen is going down, so it is heavier, so tick it. Here you see this pen is going up, so this is lighter, so circle it. And this pen is coming down, so it is heavier, so tick it. Sum number 4. Read the weighing machine. Write the weight of the objects. Mangoes 500 gram, write 500. Pears 700 grams, write 700. Figs 400 grams, so write 400. Which is the lightest? You compare and you will find this is fig. So figs are the lightest item. And which is the heaviest? Pears, because their weight is 700 and mangoes the weight is 500. So this is heaviest. So pears, write pears over here. Sum number 5. Which of the following objects has a weight of 1 kg? Do you remember, children? 1 kg, how many grams are there in 1 kg? There are 1000 grams in 1 kg. Okay. Bottle goods weight is 800 gram. Apple's weight is 300 gram. Papaya's weight is 900 gram. And pumpkin weight is 1000 grams. So 1000 grams are equal to 1 kg. So pumpkin has a weight of 1 kg. So tick pumpkin. See sum number 6. You have to tick the objects that weigh more than 1 kg. Cycle, hat or table. You know that cycle and table. They are heavier objects, so take them. Okay. And hat is lighter object. So cycle and table, they have weight that is more than 1 kg. Okay. Children, do these exercises in your math book properly, right?